Hi guys, welcome to Lisitha's Mega Place. Today I am going to tell you about my locker system. So let's get started. So why did you build this? I thought of making this because when I used to store my electronics components in this kind of boxes, I ran out of room in these kind of boxes and I can't buy them because due to COVID-19 we can't go to stores and buy them. So I have 3D printer and I can design stuff. So I thought of designing this kind of locker system and I designed it and give it to my Industry Pro 3D printer. I printed it using white and black colored PLA plus materials from ESA. Let's look at the features of this locker system. This is a cell. It consists of two parts, the shell and the locker. These are printed separately and put together like this. They have little grooves like this. These are called dovetail joints and get these two shells and they have a little triangle like thing and these have a hole like shape and align them like this and slide them. With a little bit of force they will be jointed, and if you want they can be torn apart and you can assemble this kind of things any shape you want, and you can print any amount of shells and lockers and you can hang them if you want, and you can put labels and names like this on the lockers and they can be scaled to any size. Why do these have this kind of notches in the back? These have this kind of notch because when you get one of these and slide it in, this will try to fall over from the other side. To prevent that, there is a little notch over here that will stop it with the locker from getting all the way to the other side. And it will snap like this. It will be flush in the both ends, and there is a little tab. You can open this and you can customize the tab and add labels to it too. This is my design file. It has the locker and the ring. This is the notch I was talking about earlier. See that little notch, and these can be put together like this. These are the little dovetail joint I mentioned earlier, and the locker can fit in nicely in the shell. You can stack up any amount of shells and put drawers and make anything you want and store anything you want. And this is how I made it. This is the drawer, then the shell, then the other shell. That is the design. If you want this design, you can email me about if you want this design. I 3D printed this in this orientation to make sure that I use minimum amount of support material. This thing don't have any support material, and this will have a little bit of support material in here. That's only the support materials you are going to put in this model. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and stay creative. See you next time. Bye.